When planning for emergencies, don't forget your pets. Here are some essential tips to help keep them safe. Start by assessing the risks specific to your area, like hurricanes, wildfires, or power outages. Incorporate your pets into your family's disaster plan. Make sure they're properly identified with tags, microchips, or both, and keep their medical records handy. A pet emergency kit is a must. It should include a 2-week supply of food and water, medications, a pet first aid kit, and hygiene items like waste bags or cat litter. Store these in a waterproof container. Don't forget comfort items, like favorite toys, to reduce stress during a crisis. Training and socialization also play a role. Make sure your pets are comfortable being handled by strangers or traveling in crates. These skills can make evacuation smoother. If evacuation becomes necessary, plan ahead. Research pet-friendly shelters, hotels, or boarding facilities. Keep a list of local animal shelters and rescue organizations for emergency contacts. For sheltering in place, designate a pet-friendly room. Block any unsafe nooks and ensure there's adequate ventilation. Set up a litter box or potty area and have enough supplies to last at least 2 weeks. Finally, prepare for the long term. Stock up on extra pet supplies and rotate them to avoid expiration. Stay informed about changes in emergency policies regarding pets, as some facilities may not accept animals. Being proactive with your pet preparedness can make a huge difference when it matters most. Follow these steps, and you'll be better equipped to handle emergencies while keeping your furry friends safe.